Everyone, welcome to Google Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to talk about that how can we actually make sure that the PDF documents are visible in Google Chrome. So the whole process is actually very simple, and if you are facing a problem that when you want to get to a PDF document, it actually automatically downloads it onto your local storage instead of just giving you a view copy or a read only copy through Google Chrome tab, then how are you gonna fix this error? So this video talks all about that. Without any further ado, let's just dive right into the solution. The solution is pretty simple. You need to open up your Chrome browser, and once you're in the Chrome browser, click on these three dots on the top right corner. This will bring you to the settings option, so just click on settings. This will open up the Google Chrome settings page where you can customize almost everything related to Google Chrome. So here are two things that you need to do right now. First is make sure that there are no updates pending. If there are any updates pending, then you must make sure that you have installed those updates. So how do we ensure that? So for that you need to go to the left hand panel, and there is this option on the very last about Chrome. Let's just click on that. Now here there would be an option to update Chrome. It will actually automatically update itself once you have clicked on about Chrome. So you need to wait for a few seconds till that update is complete, because sometimes what happens is the Google Chrome version that you're using might be an outdated version that does not support the feature that you're looking for. So it is always advisable before to firstly make sure that there is no update available, and if there is any update available, then you must install that update first. So let's just wait for a few seconds till that update is getting installed. It is 100% installed, so it's just going to take a mere few seconds. Okay, now the update is done. We can just click on the relaunch button to make sure the Chrome relaunches. So let's just do that. Okay, so now once you have clicked on relaunch, then those updates will be applied, and whatever tabs were open previously in your Chrome, those all would be reopened. Once you are sure that there are no updates that needs to be installed, let us just perform the second part of the solution, and that is in the left hand side we need to go to privacy and security. We are going to now make sure that the documents to be open in Google Chrome, this feature is enabled. So in the privacy and security you will find this thing called site settings. Let's just click on that. In the site settings, if you scroll down, you will find something called additional permissions. Let's just drop it down. In this additional permissions, if you just scroll down, then you will find this option called file editing. So just click on that and make sure that this option is selected. Sites can ask to edit files and folders on your device. If it is not selected, make sure you select it. Then click on this back arrow, scroll further down, go to content and go to additional content settings. Just expand it. In this you will find something called as PDF documents. Just click on that, and since you are facing the issue, so there is a high chance that into your screen you will find this download PDFs option to be enabled. So if you don't want that, you can select the second option, which is open PDFs in Chrome. Once you have selected this option, then what happens is the PDFs would be opened in Chrome tabs and they won't be downloaded into your local storage. So this is the simple step that you need to follow for solving this issue. After following this, hope your solution would be complete and the issue would be solved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.